Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Coding. Today I'll try to show you how to add the real-time FPS meter in the Iqoo R7 smartphone. So a lot of users did ask me this kind of question that is there any default settings whether you can use in this smartphone in the Iqoo 7 or not. So that is what I'm trying to explore in this entire video. As you can see friends, exact model I'm trying to use right now in this video for the demonstration purpose. So 8GB and the 128GB variant of the Iqoo 7 smartphone. So in case if you're watching for the first time my channel, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos on this Iqoo 7 device, and make sure to check the links in description friends. In the links in description you'll find this first link which is available for the phone playlist link. So once you click that link you'll get all the details related to different phones, how many videos are uploaded on each smartphone, even live wallpaper what I'm using. So try to check those videos. So make sure to check the playlist for more details. So to enable the FPS meter by default, you need to enable the developer options first. So first you need to go to the about phone and go to the software options. So once you're in the software options, try to click on this build number 7 times. So once you click that, the developer options will be enabled. So after that enabled, so let's go back to the main settings menu as you can see here. So now you need to go to the option which is called the system as you can see, and in the system try to scroll down and you will find the developer options. So now you can click the developer options. Let me try to scroll down. So just try to scroll down a little bit, not too much. So try to scroll down, and here you'll find the option which is called the show refresh rate as you can see friends. So once you can enable this option, so what is that? This is not a complete so FPS meter type, so this will just show you the what is the refresh rate you are using. So that is a problem. So if the game doesn't support the 120 FPS, it will immediately show 60 FPS. So if the game supports the 120 FPS, then it will try to show you 120. So in that way, you will be able to know whether the game is actually playing at 120 or not. So whenever I'm trying to touch the screen, the refresh rate will jump up to 120 Hz. And when I'm not touching, and if the phone left ideal for some time, then it will decrease to 60 Hz as you can see, 60 refresh rate as well. And these are my recently uploaded videos on the Iqoo 7 smartphone. You can check all the list which is all in the description below. So try to check those videos and you will understand more. So in this way you can enable the real-time FPS meter or the real-time refresh rate as well, which is called. So both are completely different friends, because the real-time FPS meter should be similarly like this, so which is present in the Mi11X device as you can see friends. So there's a default real-time FPS meter which is available in this phone. Even while playing games, you will be able to see the real-time FPS meter on the top as well, so which will give you the real-time statistics for the FPS meter. But in the case of this Iqoo 7, you need to install separate third-party applications if you want this real-time FPS meter change. So if you want just to know whether the game supports in this phone with the 120 FPS or not, so this is a simple way to see whether the game is supported or not. So this is what I'm trying to do in testing few games. So just checking whether the games are actually supported with the 120 FPS or not and 120 Hz or not. So these I will be able to check. So right now this game actually supports 120 FPS, and that's why you're seeing the score about 120 Hz as you can see. So but it won't change in the real time. That is a big problem with this real time refresh rate and FPS meter. But they did not add any other options apart from this one in this phone at the moment. But very soon I'll try to install a third-party FPS meters in this phone, and I'll try to test the gameplay performance, how the phone will be performing in terms of the gameplay. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.